Hello friends, how are you doing? Today we are going to compare top 5 project management software available for you online. So let's get started. Number 5, Monday.com. Monday.com is a terrific cloud internet-based project management software that keeps our projects moving towards our deadlines. While the user interface is not very intuitive, once you take the time to learn its features and functions, you can truly build management boards that keeps you tasks and projects well on track for any deadlines. The software has a treasure chest of functions and features that once learned and understood make Monday.com a novel tool. Pros: in an entire company, Monday.com is wonderful because it truly allows each team and department to build entire boards to manage projects, deadlines, and people specific to their teams. These boards can remain visible or private to the remainder of the company, controlling which information is shared and when. Additionally, the seamless, endless amount of editable features on a board allows you to make a board that is very custom and specific to you and your teams. For example, if you are able to track progress, set deadlines, and assign projects, add tags, link to other boards, and upload to files, Monday.com can also integrate to your email to send you notifications daily or upon being mentioned. Cons: unfortunately, Monday.com's greatest con is that it is not user friendly, intuitive, or straightforward to learn. Among our organization, I have taken a time to learn the software in a greater depth than most, and I regularly find myself having to assist and educate my colleagues on how to do what they are trying to accomplish. It does not make for a satisfying initial experience and can often discourage first time users. Similarly, when a user does more across an issue or something that they are unable to complete, their customer service and online forum is not very helpful either. Number 4, Asana. Overall, it is great to have a one-stop shop for all active projects, but it can often allow for tasks and updates to get lost in the either among its many level of task and subtask, etc. Pros: overall, Asana is a very robust and well-rounded project management tool for teams, allowing for near complete customization depending on your needs. It can be used as a very high-level overview approach to projects and tasks, down to a very granular and detailed level of project management. Cons: while the software is incredibly robust and able to manipulate your individual or team's needs, the lack of structure can be a bit daunting. Our small design studio have fairly replicable and common design tasks, yet despite many endless searching and researching, there seem to be a little in the way of templates for client branding driven graphic design studios to get started. Also, while I do often work with clients transparently throughout the design process, as well as contractors, Asana is not particularly friendly for studios as small as mine. Rather, it is more geared towards larger studios with many internal teams, and clients can get lost commenting and checking and responding and sharing within the platform, as the inbox feature feels cluttered and sometimes lacking visual hierarchy. Number 3, JIRA, a powerful, mature, and highly customizable project management software that works in any scenario, best suited to match the dynamic nature of agile projects. Pros: as a project manager, we have a lot of things to do and think about. Good thing I stumbled upon JIRA. It is a very powerful and collaborative PM tool which supported my PM role in an agile context. It is highly configurable, meant to suit any niche, industry, or user scenarios by combining the power of Kanban and Scrum. You can set up just about any of your workflows, project states, fields, actions, issues, items, etc. via the default settings or by easy customization on demand. Data analysis is easy as well. JIRA collects from all data points you set up into a single data hub that is extractable, searchable, and comprehensive. The core program and its APIs are pretty mature, and with proper documentation, our devs didn't really have a hard time since they were provided with a rich tool set to begin with. Cons: it is cloud based, so you have to make sure you have enough bandwidth provisions to support this, rather challenging for bigger teams working on same location at the same time. The usual loading times may take longer with poor connectivity. A rather steep price for small businesses to use self-hosting JIRA will also make things more expensive and risky as the number of users grow. Number 2, Basecamp. Basecamp provides a platform for collaboration and project management that can be the backbone of digital marketing agencies, software development companies, or any other company which has a team of 5+ and at least 5+ projects. It just helps the team to keep it all in one place, and more importantly, it helps bring together remote teams, which is an ever increasing scenario for many IT companies hiring VAs, content writers, PPC specialists, developers, etc. Pros: it gives you the opportunity to manage a complex business with multiple projects and team members, providing a platform for communication and collaboration. I have personally used Basecamp for 2 years and have liked it in a general for organizing digital marketing projects within the agency. You also get the ability to add the client to the project and choose what to show or hide from them, making it just a bit easier to keep them in a loop and get required feedback from them. The ability to export tasks to Google Calendar is a good touch, but it would really depend if workflow create Google Calendar worthy items. If not, you have a calendar within Basecamp. Cons: like an easy software with vast functionality, you have to learn all of its features to use it as it is intended to be used. Collaboration with teammates adds one more layer of complexity, and problems can arise if the team is not coached to use it in a common way. The ability to design or assign tasks to others can get overwhelming for the assignee. I personally had 2 account managers with me as well as content writers working for me, but they all kept assigning even the smallest of tasks, or even worse, largely undefined tasks that eventually led to me accumulating a whole lot of tasks and not seeking to clear my list. Number 1, a jack of all trades for task management: Trello. I juggled between 3 different tools to organize my life, and one of them was Trello. Trello is a visual board where I can see how my tasks flow and add details to each task: text, attachments, images, and comments. Pros: easy to use, creating tasks, editing, and moving them in is very easy and quick. The shortcuts are intelligently chosen and help working faster. Thanks to all the functionalities within each card, Trello adapts very well to very different working styles. I can choose to create a checklist, so I simulated a task with subtasks, add attachments, add labels, and add comments, etc. Very nice experience when working with a team. Syncs seamlessly and fast. I can see things as they open in the actions feed and react if I want to. We can have whole conversations within a card and have them for references. Something I especially love is the fact that I can copy an image and paste it directly into a card. Trello understands that and displays the image as a comment. Cons: I don't like the board management screens. I find hard sometimes to find the boards I want. I guess there is a reason for not allowing me delete cards rather than archiving them, but I still feel that I would like to be able to delete them. So these were the 5 top project management softwares available for you online. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.